Right now we're gonna stream right now. We're gonna start the stream right now. There's 4 tornado warnings right now issued. It's gonna start getting ugly quickly. When these all, expire, we're gonna probably end the stream. But right now, there's a lot of. These are mostly all radar indicated, but it's 4 tornado warnings. We're gonna keep it going on, but Baton Rouge, you're under the gun right now. Eastern portions. But if we put this into motion, yeah, we have one of these cells. If there's any tornado, it'd be right here, the couplet. These are really around here. Another one would be right here, more around here. So right now, some supercells are gonna be going through. Be ready, because 1 minute. So yeah, right now we have so many tornado warnings. So 1 minute. This is one of the strongest, very strong storms along this hurricane. This is a Category 4. This is the eye right here. These are the outer band that really they contain the over 140 miles per hour 1 minute sustained winds. So right now, gonna be some severe weather along the eastern portions of. So, this is gonna be long. We have 60 miles per hour winds and hail, but this isn't the main story. This is what we're gonna be focusing on until all these expire. We have 4 tornado warnings issued. Eastern Baton Rouge, be ready. There is probably, if there's a tornado, it's just south of Port Allen, around the couple that we saw is a right. If we're looking velocity, it looks like if there is a tornado, it'd be right around here. We have some others. Another one could have been right here. But still, these are radar indicated. These storms will move. We have a large rain band right now moving in. So this is these are probably spin-ups in nature, and they shouldn't be effective for that long. So, right now they're saying, if we're looking down here, you're under the gun. Some very bad storm surge as this storm. If we switch radars in a minute, we might. But if we look down here, you can see the motion. It's right now. The storm has moved around here. Yeah, as it's gonna probably continue to track to the north, where it's gonna make landfall, and that's why down here is gonna be the strongest of the storm surge. So this is some live coverage. We're gonna wait until these warnings are no longer issued, and so yeah, it shouldn't be too long. This is gonna be a not very long stream. Yeah. Let's switch to the New Orleans radar. Okay. So Baton Rouge, some small cells are probably gonna be going through just south of Monticello, as this cell is gonna be pushing off to northwest No. So, yeah, this stream is gonna. We'll see if anything else will get issued. We have a ton of tornado warnings I didn't want to make. The stream might go silent. We'll see what my mood will be. We'll see what happens. Still 4 tornado warnings. Still, if they do, they're probably short-lived, causing EF0, EF1 damage. We'll see. See though. This one probably has. If we look at the velocity, this one probably has is probably around here. Has some. There isn't like extreme. There isn't a bunch of circulation with it. Circulation with this, as this all starts to push off to the. So we'll see. Still, these storms haven't been containing a bunch of lightning. If we check lightning data, I don't think we're gonna get much at all. Another tornado warning just got issued for the city of. Okay. Okay, apparently there's a tornado warning in Texas around 1 minute. Let me check the Houston radar. Yeah, tornado warning was apparently issued for somewhere. I don't even know where it was at. Yeah, get that on the uppost. 1 minute. I don't know. There's 4 tornado warnings still. We'll see if we'll get updated on if that. Yep, tornado warning in eastern Texas by north Cleveland, but north of Vermont. 1 minute. So if we take a look, the tornado warning is, if we look at the polygon, it's around here. Around Sicily, I think. 1 minute. It's just on the county line. Not county, state line. So yeah, it's just north. It's around here. Is it radar indicated? Projected tail. Yep, it's radar indicated, and it'll expire. It's expiring in 10 minutes, so it's very brief. But we'll see. We'll see. It will pop up though. I don't know. Our next frame we'll get to. So there's still a bunch of tornado warnings issued as Baton Rouge, Western Baton Rouge is expected some more rain. As Donaldsonville, we're gonna get some more rain. If we take a look at the loading, okay. Let's look at the velocity. Okay, there we go. Vermont. There you go. I'm gonna turn on lightning. We need to see what's the lightning. Yeah, right now there is not a lot of lightning with these storms, so let's see. Yeah, there isn't any lightning. If there is any. So, if we look at the couplet, if there is any, this is the strongest part of the circulation. If you see the reds, you can see the grays indicating, see the green, tiny bit of that green right there, small green tint, yeah, but it isn't that much at all. So no 20-hour warning got issued. This will last for a small period. This will last for 7 minutes until 2:15 Central Time. So we'll see how long this will last. If we have, so yeah. Okay, we're back. Another 20-hour warning got issued for Crowley and Lauda in Acadia counties. It's radar indicated as well. See the velocity. See a tiny bit of that green and grays. It isn't very impressive at all if there is anything. It'd be right around here. You can see the bright green. You can see the gray as well. The gray indicating very. This isn't very strong rotation at all. But you can see it developing if there's anything there. So we're under 6. There's 6 20 warnings, I think. 1, 2, 6. Yep, 6. So when this gets on land, we get to see how you can see it's making those. It's more going like in this direction. We'll see. Is there a new advisory? I thought there was. Let's see. Okay. 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 So if we have band right here, we see. Next one, they were expiring 2 minutes. We have one that expires in 17. Let's see. You have a band right here. That's just probably one of the strongest rain bands. don't think we're gonna get anything on velocity. We barely got anything. So we see the notches. We see the notches right here and right here. This one has 140, I think 100. We see those small, you see those oranges, that is indicating over 130 miles per hour winds. If we're looking at over here, we're seeing the dark blues. The dark blues are indicating 150, but that's just far off. It's probably in the cloud tops. So yeah, another tornado warning I think just got issued. If that isn't old, nope, it's old. Okay, no one expires, and then we're gonna go to the Vermont one. Not Vermont. The one here in Crowley, rain and water. The couplet is located around here. Yeah, that is. We just got another update. We saw it. That would be. Yeah, that's the strongest part of the thunderstorm. So there is a tornado warning. That's where it'd be. Less than a minute for that, and then we're gonna give it a couple minutes after and then this will go bye. So yeah, so severe weather expected for this area tomorrow. Then tonight and tomorrow you have a severe weather. Pretty good chance actually for right around here. So yeah, let's be ready. And yeah, all those should be expiring in a minute. Let's see, how is this going? Okay, what happened? Okay, they're just continuing it. Okay, all those expired. So now we're gonna be focusing on quote. This is a storm, probably a supercell. It's located around here. That's where the location is likely to be at. So yeah, as these expire, we don't see hail from these storms. If we do, it's probably from the outer bands, because the outer bands have the severe thunderstorms, but they have the power to produce large hail. But the inner, there's so much wind with it that just rushes down into the storm. Doesn't cause it to be like that. So these storms are quickly. Another tornado warning just got issued for West Baton Rouge. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. As you see, tornado is around here. Okay. So, wow, this tornado. It'd be around here. That's where it would be. So now we have 3 tornado warnings. We're gonna stay on the air for a tiny bit longer. Actually, probably a lot longer. We'll see what happens within the next couple minutes. So 2 tornado warnings for West Baton Rouge, and for now is Woodville. Woodville is the biggest city affected by the storm. So Woodville take cover now. But the rest of these tornado warnings are gonna be going on for a while. So, there is not much to talk about with the storm though. If we look at everything that the storm is, hefty hurricane. This is the strongest hurricane so far this year. First major hurricane is expected to make landfall. So yeah, this is another tornado warning. I think just got issued for in Texas. Point Coop. Okay, so a tornado warning just got issued for Baton Rouge. As we are seeing, is this radar indicated? I think this is radar indicated. Yep, radar indicated. As I don't even know where this could be. Maybe the most notable place would be around Old Jefferson at the southern tip. That one is, but still, we have the tornado. If there's a tornado on the ground right here, it'd be right here. Definitely now. It's more broad. It's more broad location, and if we're looking down here, it'd be right here. And that's all of them. This is now we see these dark blues actually starting to pop up with 160 miles per hour winds in the cloud tops at least. If it was right next to, like, if we have one, since we have one, this one is a tiny bit closer. It usually gets the clouds, since if the Earth is curved, because the curvature, it usually touches clouds, so it don't. So down here is probably what's going on in the cloud tops. So yeah, let's see what's going on in Vermont. I'm gonna switch radars. Yeah, there's not much to work with there. This one is kind of weird, but probably in the gray zone of that's. Guys, we have Ohio, tornado warning. No, severe thunderstorm warning. I don't think there's a good chance of severe weather today. Is there? There is. It's probably a slight. Let me head back into this. Still outer rain bands of this hurricane are gonna be going through. Yeah, the severe thunderstorm risk is up to the north. It still hasn't changed yet. So around here, not really, it'd be right around here. That's where the tornado risk will be later in the day, but it's gonna be more of it's gonna be a damaging wind event tomorrow. So you have, this is tomorrow's risk. Well, not really, it'd be more like this and this. It's going to be the worst of it. And then if we look at the day 3 outlook, the risk is right around here. And yeah. So let's head back to the tornadoes. Okay. Currently rain. You're no longer in the tornado hotbox. It's still raining there, so I'd be still in shelter. With some strong winds are possible along these lines of storms. So we see this, like this. And that's part of the storm. Oh, we're seeing that. Actually, let's see what happens. 1 minute. But 4 tornado warnings issued. 1 minute. Let's see. There's any mental skills from it. Okay. The southern part, though, of the country is right now under a severe thunderstorm watch. I think severe thunderstorm watch, or is that a tornado watch? I think it's a severe thunderstorm watch. I think it's tornado watch actually because. Yeah, severe. Nope, there was no watch issued apparently. Okay, interesting. So if we check back, weather. Right now, if we've seen this rotation right now, it's been developing. It's right now just to the east of Lada. If we take a look at, it's around 3 miles east. That is pretty close. Who knows if there's anything on the ground? There is no confirmed tornadoes. If there is, these are mostly rain wrapped because of all these heavy showers and thunderstorms. 1 minute. Northwestern Canyon Parish. Overlada is going northwest at 40 miles per hour. It looks like the main piece of circulation is, we'll see how long this will last. Strong tornadoes. We might go off air for a tiny bit. We'll see how long it'll last. Tonight though, we're gonna have a pretty large live stream. It's gonna go on for all night. We're gonna watch Landfall, and then after Landfall, we're gonna have tornado coverage. I don't think we're gonna be able to cover the entire because I'm gonna sleep. Because I'm not gonna because it's supposed to make landfall at 1 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna watch Landfall, and when Landfall happens, we're gonna go to bed because it's gonna be a while. They're saying 12:30, 1:30 is when Landfall is definitely gonna happen. When that happens, I'm gonna be. Well, you'll be able to witness it yourself if you want to. We have an entire live stream. We'll see if it'll lag out or not. I don't think it will. So Baton Rouge, the severe thunderstorm is gonna be over your area very soon. If we take a look at this, so it looks like it's gonna be around New Roads at around 3:15. So this is a tornado warning issued for East and West Baton Rouge. So New Orleans though, it's getting pretty lucky though. It's going just to the west as it's following its northwesterly path. So if we take a look at this, it started around here. Travel 4 miles though within. This is a fast moving compared to other storms we've seen, it's been fast moving. It's going at like 13 miles per hour, 13 to 20 miles per hour, which is actually pretty fast compared to the majority of these storms. But the closer this hurricane gets, the more it reveals. We were barely able to see the eye, and now we're able to see Time Junction. There's a lot of moisture to work with, since the majority around here, it's moist. Very moist all the time. There's marshland, very, very wet, swampy. So it could provide moisture for these new cells to pop up. So he's trying to develop another band around here. As I'll probably have to cycle around the hurricane before it hits any land. But it'll probably be on the southern edge as it's orbiting. This morning has been very cloudy, very wet. There's some light rain. Very foggy. It's gonna get pretty much colder. But still, after the storm, see what happens. As this severe thunderstorm is right now passing over Baton Rouge, Westminster, Jefferson, already passed around the green now, but they're still in the polygon, so they're probably gonna be they probably have to shelter for another couple more minutes. There's another cell from here, moving off to the east, another lone cell. But we're gonna see some isolated tornadoes, maybe scattered. We'll see tornadoes for the next couple days, actually, as we have a stationary boundary set. So another tornado warning just got issued for Acadia, Allen, Evangeline, and Jefferson Davis counties. So it is. So if we look at velocity couplet, just north of Lotta, just north or on top of. This is circulation that probably still has a tornado warning. It's gonna keep going to the north and east. So Baton Rouge, if there's a tornado on the ground, let's see, not very good. There is, right here, probably around there, or in this corner. So still, it's radar indicated, I think. Yep, it's radar indicated. What fuels these tornadoes is isolation, usually. Another tornado warning just got issued, I just realized. For Iberville and Point Cuppy. Radar indicated it's right now along this band. I think we're way too far away. It's right around here. I can keep going in this direction as it's gonna. So, it might go off here soon. And we're gonna go back on. We'll see something. So we'll be back on air in I don't know, a while.